Hey friends, if you wish to add sheets in Microsoft Excel, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure, so it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for Excel in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Excel. Open Excel. Okay. Now let's say we have some content here. Now, what does it mean by adding a sheet? Because Excel is not like a Microsoft Word. I mean, if you were to add enter, it will not add a sheet below. It will actually stretch till the absolute extreme ends, which are very, very, very extreme. So, what does it mean by adding a sheet here? Like what? It's not just a normal page. So, here's what you have to do. Click on this plus symbol here, and then it will add a sheet like a tab. So the first one can be renamed, let's say test for the sake of this example. The second one can be test 2, and the third one can be test 3. Okay, so if this is a sheet, then what is this document called? So we call this document a workbook, and it's denoted by the name book 1 by default, or book 2, book 3, whatever it is. So it's called a book, a workbook, and these are sheets in a workbook. So these are tabs and segments, and whatever you create here, it is endless. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.